Question number 1. What imaging modality is considered the gold standard for detecting acute intracranial hemorrhage? The correct answer is option A, non-contrast CT scan. Question number 2. Which radiological sign is classically associated with duodenal atresia? The correct answer is option B, double bubble sign. Question number 3. Which contrast agent is most commonly associated with nephrogenic systemic fibrosis? The correct answer is option C, gadolinium-based contrast. Question number 4. Where is a ground glass appearance most commonly seen on high-resolution CT of the chest? The correct answer is option D, interstitial lung disease. Question number 5. Which imaging finding is characteristic of multiple sclerosis on MRI brain? The correct answer is option C, periventricular plaques. Question number 6. What is the most sensitive imaging technique for early detection of breast cancer? The correct answer is option A, mammography. Question number 7. Which radiological sign indicates intussusception on ultrasound? The correct answer is option B, target sign. Question number 8. What is the preferred imaging modality for evaluating spinal cord compression? The correct answer is option D, MRI spine. Question number 9. Which finding on chest X-ray suggests pneumothorax? The correct answer is option C, absence of lung marking. Question number 10. What type of fracture is best visualized on CT scan rather than X-ray? The correct answer is option D, depressed skull fracture. Question number 11. Which imaging feature is typical of osteosarcoma? The correct answer is option B, Codman triangle. Question number 12. What is the first line imaging modality for suspected renal stones? The correct answer is option C, non-contrast CT curve. Question number 13. Which radiological sign is associated with volvulus? The correct answer is option D, coffee bean sign. Question number 14. What does the term radiolucent indicate on an X-ray? The correct answer is option C, black appearance. Question number 15. Which imaging modality uses ionizing radiation? The correct answer is option C, CT scan. Question number 16. What is the most common imaging finding in pulmonary tuberculosis? The correct answer is option C, upper lobe infiltrates. Question number 17. Which radiological sign is seen in echolalia cardia? The correct answer is option A, bird beak appearance. Question number 18. What is the best imaging modality to assess ligament injuries of the knee? The correct answer is option D, MRI knee. Question number 19. Which finding suggests raised intracranial pressure on imaging? The correct answer is option A, dilated ventricles. Question number 20. What does contrast enhancement on CT usually indicates? The correct answer is option B, vascularity or inflammation. Question number 21. Which imaging is characteristic of chronic subdural hematoma? The correct answer is option B, isodense or hypodense crescent. Question number 22. What is the preferred imaging for suspected abdominal aortic aneurysm? The correct answer is option B, ultrasound abdomen. Question number 23. Which radiological term describe a lesion with well-defined margins? The correct answer is option D, well circumscribed. Question number 24. What is the most sensitive imaging modality for detecting a liver hemangioma? The correct answer is option C, contrast enhanced CT. Question number 25. Which imaging modality is safest during pregnancy? The correct answer is option D, ultrasound. Question number 26. Which imaging sign is most commonly associated with pneumoperitoneum on X-ray? The correct answer is option. Which imaging feature is characteristic of Ewing sarcoma? The correct answer is option B, onion peel appearance. Question number 32. What is the most appropriate imaging for suspected pulmonary embolism? The correct answer is option C, CT pulmonary angiography. Question number 33. Which imaging sign indicates gallstones on ultrasound? The correct answer is option A, posterior acoustic shadowing. Question number 34. What does the term hyperechoic mean in ultrasound imaging? The correct answer is option C, bright appearance. Question number 35. Which imaging modality is used for bone mineral density assessment? The correct answer is option B, DISA scan. Question number 36. What is the most common imaging finding in acute appendicitis on CT scan? The correct answer is option A, enlarged appendix with wall thickening. Question number 37. Which radiological sign is seen in emphysema on chest X-ray? The correct answer is option B, hyperinflated lungs. Question number 38. What imaging modality is best for evaluating pancreatic tumors? The correct answer is option B, contrast enhanced CT abdomen. Question number 39. Which imaging sign suggests meniscal culture in knee MRI? The correct answer is option C, bucket handle tear sign. Question number 40. What is the preferred imaging for suspected ectopic pregnancy? The correct answer is option C, transvaginal ultrasound. Question number 41. Which radiological appearance is characteristic of sarcoidosis? The correct answer is option B, bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy. Question number 42. What does a fluid level on imaging usually indicate? The correct answer is option C, hemorrhage or cyst. Question number 43. Which imaging modality is most useful for temporal bone evaluation? The correct answer is option C, a high resolution CT. Question number 44. What radiological sign is associated with bowel obstruction? The correct answer is option B, step ladder pattern. Question number 45. Which imaging feature suggests malignant lung nodule? The correct answer is option C, speculated margin. Question number 46. What is the most sensitive imaging modality for detecting adrenal adenoma? The correct answer is option C, contrast CT with washout. Question number 47. Which imaging modality is prepared for evaluating bile duct obstruction? The correct answer is option D, MRI MRCP. Question number 48. What radiological sign is typical of intracerebral abscess on CT scan? The correct answer is option B, ring enhancement. Question number 49. Which imaging modality is best for detecting sarcoiditis? The correct answer is option C, MRI sarcoiditis joints. Question number 50. What imaging modality is used to evaluate coronary artery disease non-invasively? The correct answer is option C, CT coronary angiography.